Hey there, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you what I do for my students when I want to give them a test. So I use Google Forms for testing, and something that's very, very cool that I learned a couple years ago is that you can add in feedback videos for students to view after they submit the test. This is very useful, especially if you have a classroom that's 30 plus students and having to give them feedback, specific feedback on each question that they've missed can be time consuming and sometimes impossible. So this is a very good resource to use. So let's say you've already set up your Google form, and I am assuming that you already know how to create a Google form. If you do not know how to create a Google form test for students, leave me a comment below and I'll be happy to make a video showing you how to do that. So I've made all the questions mandatory to answer. So we're currently studying thermochemistry. We just got done with this topic, so I'd like to test my students after every topic. So I've added a lot of questions here, and I want to know if they understand the concepts. So I went ahead and I sent this test to myself, and I submitted. I just randomly answered every question. And so for sure, we have a lot of questions incorrect. Once your students submit the test, they will see this page here, which says your response has been recorded, view accuracy. What you want to do is you want to have students view accuracy. And what I do is I instruct my students to view the accuracy and take notes on the feedback videos. So by feedback videos, this is what I mean. When they go in and they see their responses, they will see that they got the answer wrong. In this case, it does not show them what the correct answer is because I've set up my form in that way so that it won't show correct answers, but it will show them a feedback video that I added specifically for this question. Now, I will show you in a moment how to add the videos, but this here changed a lot of things in my class because now I had this tool that I could use for Reteach. And if you've been in education, you know that we are expected to reteach our students. So this is a very good tool to use. And it's a real time saver and a lifesaver for any teacher. So I went in here and I have all these videos and noticed that all these questions were wrong. So I would have the student write down the number of the question and then take notes on the feedback. Resolve the question, take notes on the feedback. So like I said, great tool. If you use it, let me know how it works for you. Let me show you how to add those questions onto the test. So I'm just going to go back over here to my test. So at the bottom here, I have some that I haven't added in yet. This is a brand new quiz that I just made. And so let's see here. We have this question. What was the temperature change of chloroform? Okay, so I will need to, okay, so for this question, they would need to know how to use a specific key formula. Okay, so I will go to, let me go back just a moment. So if you're looking at the question like I just did, go to the answer key. And then you have this option here to add answer feedback. You're going to want to click on that. And then for the answer feedback, I will usually put, let the student know to review what topic, what concept specifically to review. So just type in something real quick. And so after we do that, we will go in to that YouTube button and look for a video that helps explain that very same concept that the student is struggling with. So solving for delta t. And this is great for any subject. So I happen to teach chemistry, but you can find videos for any subject on YouTube, as you guys already know, and you can make a Google form for any subject. One tip before I leave this page is watch the video. You want to make sure that the students are getting what they need. Also, try to get videos that are short. So I usually, I will watch the video. This is a 2-minute video, which is good. But I will also watch it and make sure that the students are going to, get the skills or not in knowledge that they need to be successful in the future on this type of question. When you have students go back and do the feedback review or the reteaching portion of this, have some guiding questions for them. And that way that they know what they're looking for and you get a sense of, okay, I think they get it now. All right, so I hope that this video was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will make future videos depending on your needs.